Hello, this is Ron with Mulholland Security, and I'm here in a beautiful neighborhood in Los Angeles. I want to show you a gate we just finished today. This is a Mangaris style wood gate, 3/4 inch gaps between slots. Very nice. It's a beautiful, beautiful type of wood which has a really long durability and really holds up well with the elements. This is a motorized gate, and as you can see, it's a very narrow driveway. I want to show you a little bit of what we did to maintain the width of this driveway without taking anything out of it for this gate. So at this point, we'll open this gate. I have a little combination keypad here. I'm going to open that and enter a code, and the gate will open. Once that happens, we'll walk inside and I'll show you a little bit of the tricks that we used here. So for once, this receiving post is here on the wall, and it's not in the front of the wall, so it doesn't take any of the driveway. Except for that, the roller post is on the side of the wall as well. So again, doesn't take off the width of the driveway. We used a small operator, as small as possible for this gate, so it doesn't take too much room when the tenant here is taking a turn, the homeowner is taking a turn. Another cool thing that we did here, see how this gate needs to travel a little bit above this crawl space here, and we basically opened it up a little bit and raised the track right a little bit on top of that, so that way we can still maintain that opening of the driveway without taking into it when we're going into the when the gate is open all the way. And then we're gonna go back again, close it again, and there it is. Nice, clean, effective, and very practical. So again, a really good solution for a narrow driveway, and I think I'm very happy with the way it came out, and so is this homeowner. So again, Ron for Mulholland Security in Los Angeles.